Next part is two x minus 3y equals to 8, 4x minus 6y equals to 9, 2x minus 3y minus 8. This time I took the constant term on the left hand side, so it will be easy for you students. Now minus 9. So here a1 is 2, b1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 8. Here a2 is 4, b2 is minus 6, c2 is minus 9. Now a1 by a2, 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2, 1 by 2. And c1 by c2, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. You can clearly see, so we will check whether this term is also equal or not. So here you can see that a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. So this pair, so therefore pair of equation is inconsistent, that is having no solution.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.